Almonds are ready to be harvested. I am going to harvest a lot of almonds this year. Shrunken almond leaves. This is a shriveled leaf disease. The cause of this shriveled leaf disease occurs when there is a lot of rainfall from the budding to the developing leaf stage. In June, the affected leaves fall off, preventing tree growth and fruit enlargement. There is no secondary transmission of this leaf shrinkage disease. In my case, I remove the shriveled leaves, bag them and throw them away. Time of occurrence. The disease is more likely to occur in April-May, when new leaves are developing, if there is a lot of rain and low temperatures continue. Since the disease is susceptible to high temperatures, it is more likely to occur when temperatures rise after May. Although at first glance it appears to be cured because normal leaves emerge over the summer. However, the fungus overwinters and becomes a source of infection the following spring. The white mold that covers the surface of the damaged leaves will overwinter on the surface of the branches and other plants. Daily prevention and measures. Prune and trim as necessary to improve ventilation and exposure to sunlight. Observe shoots carefully during the sprouting period and remove shriveled leaves as soon as possible after finding them. This has no control effect, so it is considered prevention. Dispose of diseased leaves that have fallen to the ground as soon as possible because they can cause spores to multiply. Almonds are ready to be harvested. Here's how we're taking care of our almonds now. Remove any dead leaves. Next, remove any berries that are shriveled. The grass at the base of the almond tree should also be trimmed, to prevent insects from climbing up the almond tree. This is how we are taking care of our almond trees now. For more information on almond-related care, please watch this video. Do you grow almonds? Let us know in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a high rating. Thank you for watching.